first time ko maka-encounter ng isang platform na nagbibigay ng credit line dahil sabi dito, meron daw po akong 10,500 total credit line. So, 100% available credit. So, welcome back again sa aking YouTube channel. So, for today's video nga po, isang platform ito na ibabahagi ko po sa inyo na kung saan po nagbibigay sila ng credit line. Meron ako ditong old account and then ngayon nga po, sinubukan ko na ulit siyang applyan. And then yun nga po, nakita ko na meron akong available credit line dito. So, ayan po, kung interested ka po na malaman ang platform na ito, panoorin mo po ang video na ito hanggang dulo para po magkaroon ka po ng idea kung magkano nga ba yung possible amount na ina-approve nila sa mga first-timer borrower and makita na rin natin kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga deductions niya dito upon approval po ng iyong loan. And tingnan na rin natin kung how long mo nababayaran yung nautang mo. And magkano nga ba yung actual na marireceive mo doon sa loan approval niya. Bago pa lang po dito sa aking YouTube channel, meron po tayo ditong pamili Gcash giveaway. Mechanics ko lang po dito is isi-subscribe mo lang ang aking YouTube channel. I-like mo rin ang video na ito. And i-comment mo po dyan sa ating comment section ang hashtag word of the day na makikita nyo sa loob ng video na ito. Ang unang makapag-comment ng tamang word of the day, ang siya pong makakatanggap ng 50 pesos. Gagawin mo lang po, isipipili mo ako sa aking Facebook page para agad-agad makli mo ang iyong mini Gcash giveaway. And every end of the month naman, same mechanics po yan. 5 lucky viewers na makakapag-comment ng tamang word of the day ang makakatanggap naman ng 100 pesos each. Disclaimer na muna, so hindi po ako dito promoter or ahente ng platform na ito, nibabahagi ko. So it's up to you na po or decision nyo na po yan kung susubukan nyo rin po itong utangan or hindi. Ang tinutukoy ko nga po na platform ay si Fast Cash VIP. Under po siya ni Fcash Global Lending Incorporated. So nag-rate na nga po siya dito ng 4.5 star. And then meron na pong 10,000 review. So, registered under Securities and Exchange Commission with company registration number CS201803813 and then with certificate of authority number 2653. Requirements nga po niya dito is 18 up to 55 years old. So, loan days, 91 days up to 180 days. Minimum repayment time, 91 days. And divisible periods, 2 to 5 period. So, maximum repayment days, 180 days. Credit limit niya dito is up to 32,000 pesos. So, term repayment in installments. So, interest, 2.5% of the principal. So, para makapag-start mag-apply dito, so, kailangan po natin i-install ito si Fast Cash. So, ayan. So, after po yan, makikita nyo yung privacy policy nila. So, lagi naman po yan ganyan kapag every time na nag-apply tayo, bubungad ang privacy policy. So, basahin nyo na lang po yan dyan and then click nyo po yung agree and continue para makapag-proceed. So, dito bubungad yung homepage nila. So, makikita nyo, maximum loanable amount is 36,000. So, repayment term up to 120 days. So, click lamang po itong borrow now and then dito, kailangan mong mag-register dito or mag-sign in using your cellphone number. And may verification na papadala sa inyo, copy and paste lamang po ayan para makapag-proceed po kayo. Kailangan nila kaagad na i-verify ang iyong valid ID. So, kailangan mong mag-upload kaagad dito ng one government ID. Allowed naman nila dito is national ID, SSS, TIN number, UMID ID, passport, driver license, voter's ID, PRC ID number, PhilHealth, and postal ID. Hihingan din po kayo dyan selfie holding your ID. And next point dyan is makikita nyo your loanable amount is 3,500 up to 7,000 pesos. So, click nyo lamang po itong borrow now. Dito is kailangan nyo mag-fill up ng personal information. So, alam nyo na po yan kung ano yung personal information na sinasabi dito. So, basic information about po ito sa sarili nyo, sa educational background nyo, and then yung address. So, yan din naman yung mostly na hinihingi nila kapag personal information ang hinihingi nila. So, second is employment information. So, hihingian ka po dito ng iyo pong job information. Third po is bank information. So, dito payment method is online transfer or cash pick up. Mamimili ka lamang po dito kung Gcash ba, Coins, BDO, BPI, Metrobank, Union Bank, China Bank, Land Bank, PNB, Robinsons Bank, EUB, and East West. and Security Bank. But mostly, recommended nila naman dito is GCash. So kailangan mong ilagay yung pong GCash account yan dyan and then yung GCash name. So, wala pa nga pong 3 minutes. So, nag-pop up na kagad. So, selected loan amount is 3,500. Ito yung binigay nila na approval amount sa akin as a first-timer borrower. Meron ka dito papamilian na loan term. Available ka agad nila is 15 days up to 30 days. So, pipiliin ko itong 30 days. Click yung submit. Mag-pop up po yan dyan yung line of credit agreement nila. So, ito po yung agreement na pumapayag ka doon po sa conditions na 3,500 yung ilo-loan mo or as a first-timer borrower. So, click nyo lang po itong confirm kung nabasa nyo na po yan or naintindihan nyo na po yung nilalaman ng credit agreement nila. Check the loan information. Loan amount 3,500. Loan term 30 days. So, issued amount is 2,975. Total repayment mo is 4,033. And then, yung service fee nila dito is 15%. Magiging 525. Yung repayment schedule. First schedule. So, estimated due date is March 12. So, after 15 days nga po yun. So, repayment amount is magiging 2,016. Principal amount is 1,666. Interest niya is 350 and unpaid principal is 3,500. Second installment mo is on March 27, 2024. Repayment amount is 2,017. Principal is 1,834. So, interest noon is 183. Unpaid principal is 1,834. So, meron silang loan cancellation policy. So, loan cancellation transaction fee is 100. So, bank and GCash loan cancellation after approval is not allowed unless clients return the loan on the same disbursement date plus the relative loan cancellation transaction fee. So, once pala na na-approve ka na dito, hindi mo na kailangan i-cancel yun, machi-charge ka na kaagad ng 100 pesos the moment na ibabalik mo yung pera sa kanila. So, nasa processing process na po kaagad. So, loan amount 3,500. So, loan term 30 days installment to give. So, ayan, interest niya is 533. Total repayment mo is magiging 4,033. And then, bank account is GCash account. Kung chinek ko yung withdrawal history, so, funds will be deducted from your credit upon successful disbursement. So, yung 3,500 na yun pala, is ibabawas nila doon sa credit line na binigay nila. Pag-isipan nyo po muna kung gusto nyo ba talagang mangutang dito kay Fast Cash dahil dito is as a first-timer borrower, malaking bagay na po or malaking amount na yon na inapprove nila na 3,500. Aralin nyo po muna yung mga deductions kung i-grab nyo ba yung ganito mong offer ni Fast Cash VIP dahil dito pinakita naman na nila kung magkano yung matatanggap mo doon sa 3,500 na na-approve nila. So, ayan na po muna mga lalabs ko. So, thank you for tuning in for now. Marami pong salamat sa panonood. God bless po. Bye-bye.